You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing analysis on Sol USDT and also BTC USDT right at this point. So watch the video to the end. I'll be showing you what you should be expecting in the next coming days, especially on this very chart right now. Sol USDT is very important. You know how to trade this market in the next coming days. So let's dive right into the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel Remit Trade, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and leave a like for this very particular video. You can also check other educational content on this very channel that will help your trading methodology. Right now on Sol USDT, we see the market around this area. One thing you have to know when it comes to technical analysis is when you see price rejection, especially from the upside, this is an indication that markets will probably go to the downside. So right here, we see some price rejection around this area. And right now, I am expecting a little bit of pullback to the downside before we see the next move right in. So where is this very retracement going to end? I'm going to show you right now and how you are going to trade it in a moment. So right now, on this very chart right here, we see something very important. If I draw my trend line from this very area, remember I'm on the 1-day chart. If I draw my trend line from here to this very area, and then I go to this very area and fix the trend line very well. So this is a very nice trend line that is on this very chart right now. And then what I am expecting right now is the market to come back right down. So I will not be using this trend line right now for the long time period. On the 4-hour chart right here, we see the market is retracing right now. So my possible retracement target is from this area. So I have to draw this trend line from this area to this very area. And then from here, I am expecting the market to go back right down. So if the market comes back to this level, I want to see the market go back up from here. And then if you see a breakout on this very particular trend line, which is a support line, then that means the market is going to go down. And if the market goes down, the market is going to go down up to this very point right there of 187 level. So the first thing I want to see in the market before taking a trade right now, in my own opinion, is the market to go back right down and retest on this very particular trend line will give us a nice move to the upside. So right now, what you should expect is the market should come back down and touch the trend line before it will go back up. And then if you see a breakout below the trend line, giving you a bearish close to the downside, then that means this level will be inevitable for the market to touch this very particular level. If you look at this level very well, you discover that this very level is a very, strong support turn resistance level. So this level is a very strong support level right there. So you see support here, you see another support here, you see resistance, and you see resistance here as well. So if I see a breakout giving me a bearish close, the market should come back to this very support line. And this support line, guys, is a very important support line. If market come back to this very support line, there is all tendency that the market is going to go up from this very particular area, in my own opinion. Okay, so that is what I am expecting on Sol right now. One thing you have to know about this very particular cryptocurrency Sol right here is because it has a very different mechanism on its blockchain, which is the proof of history mechanism. Now, this is the only blockchain that operates on the proof of mechanism, and it is the origin of this very particular protocol. I want you guys to also hold Sol in your portfolio because it's a very important coin right now and it's going to do greatly well. In as much as we see the price of Sol at the moment at $207, this is still low in my opinion. It's going to explode in the next coming days, maybe probably before the end of this year. I am expecting Sol to do about $500 for one Sol. So ensure you get some Sol in your portfolio right now. And then if you are trading for a long time, please ensure you wait for the market to retest on this very particular trend line, which is a support line, before the market will go up. So like I said earlier, if you see a bearish close below this trend line, please wait for the market to go back down to this very support level before you take your trade. On BTC USDT chart right here, guys, I draw this very rising wedge, which is a channel right here, guys. And you see the market go back down and then retest our channel. I talk about this, and then this very particular level, I also talk about this very particular level of support, market obeying this very level, and we see the market move drastically to the upside from this very area. Something very important, guys, on this very chart is when market comes back down, we see this level market move up drastically from this level. Remember, on the 4-hour chart, from this point up, and then we see from this area as well as support. This was also a support, and then we see some spike out of this area. This was a spike, and then we see the market just come into this level and move drastically up. This point of retest right here was the point where the market obey resistance level. So resistance here, turn resistance here, and the market is going right down. What I am expecting from this very particular market is this: since there was a drastic move from here to the upside, respecting this very particular resistance level, and this resistance level was a resistance level here, then that means there were a little bit of pressure here. But from price action, if you look at this level very well, this chart does not seem going back down, very fast. So I am expecting the market to go back a little bit downward, and then the market should go up from this very line. I'm looking at this very resistance level at this very point to turn support around this area. Then if we see the market pierce through it, then this level will definitely hold the market. Please, guys, take note of this very particular horizontal support level right at this point. Take note of this very particular horizontal level at this point. The reason for that very particular emphasis is that if the markets break through this very particular horizontal level at support here and give us a bearish close, I am very sure that the market is going to go back down to this very particular area. In my own opinion, if we see that happen with a bearish close, the market is going to go back down to this very area. The reason why I emphasize that is because it's very key and important to your other holdings of other altcoins, because if we see that in BTC, all other altcoins is going to follow it directly, and market is going to head right down in a short while. Okay, I am still very much optimistic about the market. When you see the market come back down, don't panic, don't fear. The reason is because the market, when it come back down like that, it gives the next impulse a good strength to move to the upside and create a new high, as we see in the recent high of BTC right now. So what you should be expecting is the market come back down a little bit to this very level and then go back up. If you see the market come back to this very area, then it's a nice time to take a buy position for the market. So if a bearish close appear below this very strong support level, then expect the market to go back down to this very area of $55,000 level. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel, Remit Trade, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell and give a like for this very particular video. And then if you've not registered on Binance, OKX and crypto.com, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.